It started. Here I have written two letter words. Id, ig, ip, it, in. Now we will join a consonant before them. B. B says b. B, id, bid. B, ig, big. H, hip. B, it, bit. B, in, bin. Bid, big, hip, bit, bin. F says f. F, id, fid. F, ig, fig. P says p. The sound is different. P says p and F says f. F and p. Pip. Again F. F. Fit. F. Fin. R says r. Rid. R says r. Rid. Rig. K says k. Kip. H says h. Hit. R again. R says r. Rin. Rid. Rig. Kip. Hit. Rin. D says d. Did. Dig. Dip. Kit. Pin. K again. K says k. Kid. K. Id. Kid. J. J says j. J. Ig. Jig. N says n. N. Ip. Nip. P. P says p. P. It. Pit. T says t. T. In. Tin. Kid. Jig. Nip. Pit. Tin. H says h. H says h. H. Id. Hid. G. G says g. G. Ig. Gig. S. Ip. Sip. S. It. Sit. S. In. Sin. Sip. Sit. Sin. L says l. Lid. Z. The sound of Z is z, not j. Z. Z. Ig. Zig. L. Ip. Lip. W says w. W. It. Wit. W. In. Win. Wit. Win. Now let's do some extra words. I am. Im. D. I am. D. Im. H. I am. H. Im. J. I am. J. Im. Dim. Him. Jim. I. B. Ib. B. Ib. Bib. F. Ib. Fib. R. Ib. Rib. I. X. Ix. I. X. Ix. Six. S says s. Six. F says f. Fix. Bid. Fid. Rid. Did. Kid. Hid. Lid. Big. Fig. Rig. Dig. Jig. Gig. Zig. Hip. Pip. Kip. Dip. Nip. Sip. Lip. Bit. Fit. Hit. Kit. Pit. Sit. Wit. Bin. Fin. Rin. Pin. Tin. Sin. Win. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and thank you very much for your support.